Hello everyone, I'm back with another productivity slash organization related video, and I'm more excited than ever for this one because I'll be trying my best to collect, if not all, the best time management productivity tips under one video. So do pay attention, write this down. We're about to start our productive era and make the most of our time. Now, without further ado, let's get started. Finding your optimum time. One of my goals about this video is to make it as customizable as possible, and I'm all about personalization here because I know quote-unquote productivity doesn't seem the same for everyone, doesn't feel the same for everyone, therefore doesn't apply the same way to everyone. Your optimum time is the time period when your energy peaks, when you perform at your highest. It can be your physical power if you work in a physical job or do give priority to physical tasks, or when you have a clear mind to focus on tasks that will require brain power, and it depends on the person. It could be early morning hours, late afternoon, or evening. By the way, I don't believe everyone has to be a morning person. Yes, there are some advantages to that, but it's not necessary. You're a night owl, you feel productive, great. No pressure to be an early bird. I'm here to give you advices on how to be productive, not how you should live your life. So, you do you. Creating gaps. Let's make it clear. Productivity doesn't mean you get 10, 20 things done in a day. You're busy all the time, rushing from one task to another. No. In fact, the opposite. You're able to have those breaks in between to rest your mind, go have some fresh air, grab some water. So when the time is up, you can focus and work better with less efforts. Productivity has nothing to do with hustling, go all the time. In fact, you will do it if you don't feel productive enough, if you can't be productive because now you're falling behind those tasks, they are piling up, and you think you need to be on all the time, always chasing a task and looking forward to get it done. See, this is a hustler's mindset. Instead, what you want to do is put in those gaps where you need, because according to researchers, we tend to lose our focus and efficiency for things that last for more than 45 minutes. Of course, if you have ADHD, less. Don't work more, work smarter. As cliche as it sounds, it is so true. Remember, you're not some sort of machine that's expected to work 24/7. You're human and you need to stop and take a breather time to time. Even machines are designed to take occasional breaks and resets to function better, so why wouldn't you? Pre-decision making. This is for those who are serious about time organization and wants to boost their productivity for real. And nope, I'm not talking about writing down your to-do list at night before. We all heard that a million times. This is a little bit different. After you decided tomorrow tasks, you want to get into detail into everything you want to accomplish that day so you can get clear on them. Know when you're going to do, where you're going to do, how you're going to do. The aim here is to eliminate all the decisions you have to make, since they can be such a waste of time if you try to make them at that current time. So when tomorrow comes around, the only thing you need to do is to take action. Everything is decided. You just have to act according to the plan. Of course, life doesn't go as planned all the time, I know, but I believe if you apply it to your work life, daily routines, events, meetings, it will save you tons of time that you can spend wisely, such as gaps that we mentioned previously. An example may look like this. 7 a.m. wake up, between 7 to 9, I'll get done my morning routine, do my daily makeup, and have breakfast. I know the exact steps of my morning routine. I know which products I'm gonna use for makeup. I know how to do it, and my breakfast is a chia pudding with a latte aside. Or I'll do monthly budgeting using Mint app, brainstorm for my next video, and write its script. For monthly budgeting, I'll go to the new X Cafe in town. I'll take 2 hours for that and move my stuff to the city library for brainstorming and scripting my video, and I'll have another 3 hours for that using Pomodoro technique. Get precise. The more precise you are, the more smooth and easy workflow you're gonna have. Task sequence. Are you saving your energy for the one task that matters the most, or are you making yourself busy with getting small, insignificant tasks done? If second, you're tricking your brain that you're productive. If first, you know your priorities. Your energy is sacred. It shouldn't be wasted, and the sequence of your tasks is more important than you think. To find the right order to organize and get them done, you need to experiment with your mind, body, and soul. Let me give you some examples. You tried working out in the morning, you felt weak, you were on an empty stomach, wasn't fun, pass. Try afternoon or night hours. You tried studying after lunch hour till dinner, you felt accomplished, focused, great. Keep doing that. You want to meet up your friend, but you don't like socializing during morning hours, so what you do, you pass that brunch date and make it a coffee after dinner. You need to tell your parents something controversial, and you know it won't be pleasant to hear. You're gonna feel stressed. You don't make that conversation first thing in the morning. Did you know that your soul also has an energy? Have you ever experienced that? It doesn't matter if your body is full of life. If you feel like a crap, that energy won't matter. You just turned a whole day into a trash. Learn this, pay attention, and apply it to your life. Anything that might confuse you, mess up with your mood later. Focus sustainably. If you want to be productive and have control over your time, the number one skill you need to have is staying focused. You can make a sandwich if you don't have bread. You can make a snow angel if it's not snowing outside. You need it. I previously made a video on how to stay focused, tips for ADHD, and I'm really proud with that one because it ended up being such a beneficial video since I used all the new knowledge that I had from the book Hyperfocus by Chris Bailey. Totally changed my perspective on what focus is. So you can check it out after this video because I believe these two videos will complete each other perfectly, and you can find the book's link in my description. Assignment of the brain. And lastly, when it comes to organizing your life and time, don't use your brain as a storage place. It's not your Apple Cloud. Use it to work on different tasks, to solve problems, to be creative, to analyze, not to remember every single thing. Make space for thinking, not remembering. Your Notion, your Google Calendar can remember things for you. Delegate these to either digital tools or paper journals. You cannot trust your brain 100%, and you don't have any time to recall a random task we had to get done 2 weeks ago. There's a famous saying in Turkish I love. Söz uçar, yazı kalır. Everything you say aloud will disappear in the wind, but the things you write down stays till the end. Thanks so much for sticking till the end. Don't forget to check out my Focus 101 video. Let me know if you want to see more content on time management, productivity hacks, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!